Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Fun Fast. I'm Easy, and today we're diving into the exciting announcements from Apple's WWDC 2024, specifically focusing on Apple Intelligence. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to support our channel. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content. Now let's get into the details. Apple's WWDC 2024 keynote presentation unveiled Apple Intelligence, a suite of AI features designed to seamlessly integrate with your Apple devices and enhance your overall experience. Let's break down what Apple Intelligence is and what it can do for you. What it can do. Apple Intelligence aims to make interacting with your Apple devices more intuitive and efficient. Here are some specific examples. Mail app upgrades. Priority messages will highlight important emails based on keywords or events. AI-powered summaries to help you grasp email content quickly. Smart replies, similar to Gmail's feature. Writing assistance, grammar and spelling suggestions. Context-aware sentence completion. Different writing style suggestions, such as formal or casual. Proactive suggestions. Based on your habits and routines, the system might suggest actions like adjusting brightness or opening frequently used apps. Enhanced Features AI will power features across different apps. Photos app, automated photo and video organization based on content and context. Health app, deeper analysis of health data for personalized insights and recommendations. Maps app, more predictive traffic management and route suggestions. Apple emphasized its commitment to user privacy. Most processing happens directly on the device, minimizing data sent to the cloud. Users will have control over the level of AI integration and data usage. Apple Intelligence will be available with the fall releases of iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia. However, there are limitations. It will only run on iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models or iPads and Macs with M1 chips or later. Apple Intelligence received generally positive reactions. Users are excited about the potential for a more streamlined and personalized experience. Some concerns remain about the level of automation and potential privacy implications. While Apple showcased several functionalities, details on specific features and how they might interact with each other were scarce. The long-term vision for Apple Intelligence is still unfolding, leaving some users curious about the future enhancements and integration possibilities.